Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show how you can install Node.js on Ubuntu or Linux operating system. So let's get started. In this tutorial we'll install Node.js using terminal. So let's open a terminal. Let me maximize the window. Now in order to install Node.js, we'll first install the Node version manager. Then we'll install a specific Node.js version. So in order to install the Node version manager, we'll just copy and paste this line into the terminal. I will put this command line in the description. So let me paste it. Just copy and paste and press enter. So now the Node version manager has been installed. So I will restart the terminal. Let's check the Node version manager version, nvm-v, and press enter. As you can see, Node version manager has been installed. Now we'll install the Node.js specific version. So let's open a browser window and search for Node.js. Let me click on the first link. As you can see, there are two versions of Node.js. You can download and install any of them, but we'll install using the terminal. So the first one is the LTS version and the second one is the current version. So if you are looking for stability, you can install the LTS version, or if you are looking to install the latest features, you can go for the current version. So for this tutorial, I will install the LTS version. The current LTS version is 16.13.2. So I will install this version. Let me minimize the window. To install Node.js, we'll just type nvm install and the version number, which is 16.13.2, and then press enter. So it will go ahead and download the Node.js. As you can see, Node.js has been installed. So let me clear it. Let's check the Node.js version. So type node-v. So this version has been installed. We can also check the Node package manager version. So type in npm-v. So this is the Node package manager version. Now we'll try the Node. So let's type in Node and press enter, and we'll do some basic math. For example, let's do some addition and another check. As you can see, Node.js has been working perfectly. So this is how you install Node.js on Ubuntu or Linux operating system. If you want to learn how to install Node.js on Windows or Mac, you can check my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.